2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, cold weather package, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.